Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to unlock your smartphone if you forgot the password. If you forgot the password of your smartphone, there's one way to unlock it. Unfortunately, this method will erase all data from your smartphone. So make sure to always have backup. In order to perform it, press and hold power button and volume up button to go to power menu and restart the smartphone. Now press and hold again power button and volume up until we go to recovery mode. I think I'll release it too soon. Let me do it one more time. Now enter recovery mode. And go to clear data. Now clear all data. Confirm. And return. Go back and restart. Now you will have to set up your smartphone from the beginning. But the unlock password is also erased. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.